Welcome to the Powder Coating Institute. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the basics of powder coating. Our next time we will be actually spraying some coatings. So today what we have is we just have some simple powder coatings in a container. Now powder, the thing that's neat about powder versus like the liquid is the vehicle that allows powder to flow through a gun is air. Air mixes with the powder and hopper and allows it to go through the lines and into the spray gun onto the part. The powder gun then, the powder come through the bottom, through the gun, and there's a little charge there. It's called a corona charge. It creates a field. The powder goes through the gun, through the field, picks up an extra ion, and then attracts to the grounded part. And then with that, you get wrap and good coverage. So you'll see, you get a panel, and you'd also get extra coating on the back. Now this helps when you're trying to coat three-dimensional parts, and it helps with your efficiency of time, so you don't have to spend lots of extra time. You still have to coat the side, but it doesn't take as many passes. When you coat, some of the things you want to do is you want to be able to have your gun about 8 to 10, 12 inches away from the part. You want to trigger the gun when you're off to the side. You want to trigger because there's an initial surge of powder when you pull that trigger. So you want to trigger the gun, and then you want to count your passes and try to go about the same speed. Generally a good starting point, 4 to 5 passes, then you'll actually cure the panel. Now the importance of curing the panel is, number one, once you put powder on, at this stage you could actually wipe it off. So it could actually be removed, blown off, but you need to cure it. Usually a typical cure setting, 10 minutes, 400 degrees. But that means that once the part itself is at 400 degrees, you leave it there for 10 minutes. So parts can take anywhere from 2, 3, 5 minutes to get up to temperature. So that your total cure time would be about 15 minutes. And cure is important because you're going to get a lot of your properties with the cure. Your impact resistance, your flexibility, your color, your gloss, all are dependent on a proper cure. That's all for this time at the Powder Coating Institute. See you next time.